Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the service registration is missing or corrupt and you get a Windows error with this name, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. And the resolution has been mentioned on the Microsoft Answers forum. Okay, basically they are asking you to restart the services and delete the software distribution cat22 folder. 432 people have said that it helped, but I'll give you an easier way to do all of this at once. We have a script to reset Windows Update components. Now this script will stop all Windows Update related services. It will rename the folders, the cat22 and software distribution folders. Then it will deregister all the DLLs, and then finally it will reset WinSock and then restart the services. So copy all of these, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator in the right pane, paste all of these and hit enter and forget everything else. The script will do the job for you. Once it's done, right click on the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.